Do you want to add text in Instagram story? You can write text on an Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add text in an Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your story at the top left of the screen. Now, choose a picture from your gallery to use as your text background. If you want to add only text to your story, select a plain color image. Once added, tap on the text icon at the top of the screen. A text box will appear where you can type anything you want, such as captions, quotes, or descriptions. After typing, you can change the font style by swiping through different text options. You can also adjust the text color by tapping on the color palette at the bottom. Once you're ready, tap on Done at the top right. Finally, tap on your story or close friends to share it with your audience.